welcome to our Stautzenberger Practical Nursing Program.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
We appreciate it, areas.
This is our front entrance area where our clinical coordinator is typically in this office here. And then Miss Cynthia Walsh is here. And hi, Cynthia, do you want to say hi to Jordan? She's coming over today to tour our facility and learn a little bit about what's going on.
Great.
So Cynthia does a lot of with the paperwork with the students, anything non-curriculum based. Cynthia will take care of for them, like their healthcare requirements, any background checks, pretty much anything. The uniforms, you help them order their uniforms or get size for them. Orientation, am I missing anything?
Sounds good to me.
Okay. All right. Well, thanks,
I just
Cynthia.
support the department.
Yes, you do. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So here we have our classrooms, and we are a caring-based curriculum, and we're also concept-based curriculum. And what that means is while you're learning cardiovascular in your nursing classes, you're also learning cardiovascular in your anatomy and physiology class, your nutrition class, and your pharmacology class. So it really ties it together, and the students are always very excited about learning and really like that model of learning as well. The other great thing is that we have a very low student ratio when it comes to our clinicals. We have six quarters of classes, and so during those, the quarter 2 through quarter 6 will have clinicals, and they range from long-term nursing facilities. They'll do the rehab centers, acute care settings. We do have a wonderful OB experience for the student, and also they have a pediatric clinic rotation, and so really get a great amount of experience in those settings, and we really try to bring it to the classroom. Our instructors, our faculty are wonderful and do a lot of communication between one another so that they can bring what they're learning to the classroom into the clinical setting, and really do a lot to help prepare them for their boards that they'll be taking, because ultimately that is the goal, is to pass the boards, the NCLEX PN, to become licensed practical nurses. If you'd like, we can take a look at one of the classrooms down here. This classroom's in use with our fundamentals group. They're our second quarter students, and so they're in lecture right now. So I think what we'll do is go down to the pharmacology room.
Okay, great.
And that room is occupied by the pharmacology students, who are our first quarter students, and then it resumes, pharmacology 2 and 3 resume on the third and the fourth quarters. So in this lab, we have 2 mannequins and med carts, you can see. So what they do is they go through their checkoffs in here for pharmacology. They'll learn to pass medications. They'll learn to pass oral medications, IV medications, IM medications, transdermals, all different routes of medication administration, so that when they enter the clinical setting in their second quarter, they'll be prepared to administer medications to their patients. So it really, they start out in clinical that second quarter, and they really get the foundations of their experience here in the skills lab, so that they feel confident when they enter those clinical settings.
Great.
Okay, yeah, and then our classroom, and you can see the students are at lunch right now, but they have their classes right in the class where they have labs. So half of them may be working on a concept with the teacher in the front, the instructor, and then the other group may be practicing in the back. So it's really nice to have our labs and our classrooms mixed. We really enjoy that, and it really does bring the patient to the teaching, the information that we're getting
Wonderful.
across. Yeah. So let's go in. This is our lobby area. This is where the students may come back. It's beautiful outside, so they're outside having lunch. But this is where they congregate between classes. My office is in the heart of everything, so if any student has any problems, questions, they can come see me. I have an open door policy, and just always excited to speak to the students and know them by name. And that's a nice thing about having a low ratio program, is that we can really get to know our student needs and help meet those needs in their learning, and anything that work-life balance as well. So we're having a poster contest right now. We do this on a regular basis, and at week 9, which we're in week 8 right now, but next week we will have our pinning and award ceremony. So we'll announce the winners of the poster contest, and we also do our pinning ceremony with our graduating students. Okay. And then next over here is Aronica Palmali. See if she's in. Hi, Aronica.
Hi, welcome.
Thanks. Hello.
Yeah, Jordan's just taken a tour of our program and our building here, and we just wanted to stop by. So if you wanted to tell a little bit about what you do on a regular basis here.
Great. I'm full-time faculty here with the PM program, so I teach some pharmacology classes and electronic health record, but I'm also the full-time tutor. So if anyone has any type of needs in any class, I can be here to assist you.
Sounds great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, thanks, Veronica.
You're welcome.
And then we have our faculty room where the faculty works, and if we could just sort of peek in, you might get to see an instructor in action. So we're just here. This is the Med Surg classroom.
Worked, took care of the family, yeah, because so that he could go to school. And so,
Okay, and as you can see in that classroom, the students also have the lab setting in there as well. So that's what we really take pride in. All of our nursing classes will have the mannequins. They have moderate fidelity mannequins in the med surg areas, so we can really bring a patient scenario to life so that they can, as they're learning more about their disease process and their interventions, they can take it to the bedside and really interact as a collaborative team.
Sounds great.
Yeah. So do you have any questions for me, Jordan? Anything else that I could tell you about our program?
So if I'm interested in enrolling, can I just call and make an appointment, or can I check out the website?
Yeah, definitely. The website is sctoday.edu, so you can send an email and somebody will respond and give you further instructions. Or you can call our number. It's 419-866-0261, and we'd be happy to assist you in any way.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Jordan. Thank you for visiting us today.